How you guys doing, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe. In today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the bulbs on the climate control on Alfa Romeo 147 and GT. Now this one right here on the left side for hot and cold went out. These two are still working great, but I'm going to replace all three of them since I got the LED bulbs. Here's the better look in the dark. You can see that the knob for the hot and cold on the left side is not illuminated at all, besides the climate control button itself. I'm gonna start by removing this tray. I'm gonna push him out and I'm gonna wiggle him left and right until I free it up. Be careful so you don't break anything. Now I'm gonna use my 3mm Allen socket to undo these two screws which hold the climate control unit in place. Now that I got these screws out, I can gently push out the whole unit. There are two connectors that I have to undo. Just press on the plastic clip and push the lever to the other side. You can undo this yellow one in the same way. Alright, now here are the three T4.7 bulbs which illuminate the climate controls. I'm gonna use my mid-size flathead screwdriver and I'm gonna start with this bulb that went out. So basically what I'm gonna do is put my screwdriver right here in the slot and I'm gonna unscrew it. And there it is right there. Now I got a bunch of these T4.7 LED bulbs. I tried to get the regular ones, but I wasn't able to find them since the LEDs might give it a bit of a different effect. They might shine a bit brighter or I might get the change in color. I'm gonna replace the bulbs on all three knobs. Alright, I'm gonna use my mid-size flathead screwdriver again. I'm gonna place my LED bulb right on top of it and I'm basically just gonna screw it in. Make sure that you don't use too much force so you don't damage the bulb or the climate control unit. As I said, I'm gonna replace these two as well. There is one thing that I gotta warn you about. The LED bulbs are sensitive to polarity, so before you put everything back together, make sure that you try everything out, and if one of the bulbs doesn't work, just turn it by 180 degrees and screw it back in. Before I put everything back together, I'm gonna try it out. You can see that all of the dials shine great. However, there are two things that I've noticed with these LED bulbs. The first thing is that they do shine a bit brighter, and the second thing is that they give a bit of a pinkish or purplish hue to the dials. However, in my opinion, it does produce a bit better effect compared to the factory bulbs. Now I'm gonna put back together everything real fast. I got the yellow connector back in. I'm gonna do the same with this gray one. Make sure that the climate control unit sits right before you put these two screws back in. Alright, that is basically it. I got one more thing, which is the tray. Now to put it back in, all you gotta do is basically align it properly and just push it in. just like that. I'm gonna show you the end result one more time. As you can see, these LED bulbs do shine a bit brighter, which I kinda like. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of our